In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect free Google account to Make.com. First, open Make.com and head to your dashboard. At the top, go to the Scenarios area where all your automations live. Start a fresh automation by choosing Create a Scenario. Make will ask what app you want to use, so search for Google services. You can connect any of them the same way: Google Sheets, Gmail, Drive, and more. I'll demonstrate with Gmail so you can see the full flow. On the canvas, pick a Gmail module. Watch emails is a great starting point because it listens for new messages. When the module opens, you'll see a connection field. Click Add a connection, then Add. Choose Sign In with Google. A secure Google window opens. Select the Google account you want to use and continue. Approve the permissions so Make can read the data needed for your automation. This is the standard OAuth process. No passwords are shared with Make, and you can revoke access anytime from your Google account settings. Back in Make, finish configuring Watch emails so your test is meaningful. Choose a filter type to narrow what Make should watch, such as all, unread, or starred, depending on your workflow. Select the folder, typically Inbox, so Make knows where to look. If you organize with labels, add a label to further target messages. Set any additional criteria like a sender or subject keyword to catch only the right emails. Pick a limit for how many messages Make should fetch on each run. A small number is ideal for testing. Click Save to lock in those settings. Next, choose where to start so Make knows the first message to consider. From now on is the safest option if you only want future emails processed, but you can choose a specific point if you're backfilling. Save again. Now it's time to test. Click Run once. Make will connect to your Gmail account with a new connection, apply your filters, and retrieve matching messages. Watch the module bubble for success indicators and output. If items appear, your Google account is connected and working. If nothing shows, relax. Adjust your filter type, folder, label, or criteria, reduce the limit, save and run once again. That's it. You've connected a free Google account to Make.com and confirmed it with a live test. From here, you can add more modules, map data, and turn on scheduling to automate your workflow.